Good morning students, welcome to another video. Today uh, first chapter NIET important questions are there. So these questions are important for NIET examination, online examination and your term examination too. Okay, so look at the first question. Why the R shortcut key is used in SketchUp Make? To answer is to create a rectangle. This is the shortcut key when you want to draw a rectangular plane. Just from keyboard type R. Press the R button, R key. You can easily draw the rectangle selected. Okay. Number 2. Any 2 or 3 dimensional figure available in SketchUp Make window is called object. This is the definition of object. You must learn it. Any 2 or 3 dimensional figure available in SketchUp Make window is called an object. Which one of the following is correctly define the step of serving a file? Question number 3. Which one of the following correctly defines the step for saving a file? Click the file menu and choose the save option. You should go to the file menu and choose the save option. Your file would be saved. Question number 4. Which one of the following step need to perform to hide an object? So to hide an object, select the object, select the edit and hide option. Here you can see some space is necessary. Okay, select edit and then hide option. The surface of question number 5. The flat surface is called a plane. A flat surface is called a plane. uh, Question number 6. Why C shortcut key is used in SketchUp Make? C for circle, to create a circle. Answer is to create a circle. Question number 7. Which one of the following shortcut key select the circle tool? See, this is the reciprocal of this question. This is the opposite of this question. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8. Which one of the following detail need to provide to save a file? To save a file, file name is desired folder location. File name and desired folder location is necessary. What should be your file name and what is your desired location? Would you save it on the desktop? Would you save in a particular folder, or would you save in D drive or C drive? What is the location of your file is up to you where you want to save. Okay, question number 9. Which one of the following shortcut key to select a rectangle? This is the opposite of question number 1. R key is used to select a rectangle. Okay, question number 10. In SketchUp, which one of the following menus has the option to hide the option? Which one of the following menu has the option to hide option is edit menu. Edit menu has the option to hide and unhide the object, human object. Which one of question number next 11 number. Which one of the following screen is opened when you open SketchUp Make software for the first time? Welcome to SketchUp is the window occur when SketchUp Make software is open for the first time. Okay. Question number 12. Which one of the following action should be performed before closing the SketchUp Make? Any. This is not only for SketchUp. Any software you are working. First, before closing it, first save your file and then close it. Otherwise, you will lose the content you make it. Which one of the following step need to perform unhide? So this is the way to unhide the object. Select the edit and go to unhide. unhide last. Unhide इसको okay, delete this. Select unhide only. Which one of the following steps need to perform to unhide the last object? To select, edit and unhide it. Question number 14. Which one of the following menus has the save option? It's a file option. And any software, save option is always appear in the file option. Only file option you will see the save. Any software. Which question number 15. Which one of the following option need to select and save file? Select and save file is for save option. Question number 16. Which one of the following object is visible by default in stage layout? Human object. Human object appears when you open the stage layout. Okay. In SketchUp, which one of the following menu has the option to unhide the object? Again, this is the edit menu. Okay. Which one of the following action can you take from unwanted object appearing by default and not required for your model? If you not required, there is no necessary and not necessary for that object, you may hide it. Okay. Question number 19. Which one of the following software let you create 2D and 3D object? It's a SketchUp Make. None other than SketchUp Make. Okay, question number 20. Which one of the following software can be used to recreate a layout that has been created on paper in 3D on the computer? SketchUp Make only. Okay, which one of the following dialog box will be opened on selection of save option? Save as. SketchUp Make is a software application that help you to create 2D and 3D model of any object. This must be your definition of SketchUp Make. Which one of the following software application can you use to recreate a layout in 3D on a computer? SketchUp Make. Which one of the following extension is correct for the SketchUp Make file? .skp. skp is the file extension of SketchUp Make. Okay. Which one of the following step need to perform the unhide all the object? Unhide all the object, you go to edit and unhide all. Okay, this is the option. Okay, this is the last question, so write in your copy and start learning it.